Caring for your Oberon Arc Flash suit. Before washing, the face shield, light, and ventilation system must be removed from the hood. Each piece of the garment must be inspected for rips and tears that could worsen during the washing cycle. Wash in cold water with light detergent and like colors. After washing, do not wring dry. Tumble dry on normal settings. If there is a concern when laundering your Arc Flash suit about the removal of potentially harmful bacteria or viruses such as COVID-19, the suits can be washed and dried at higher temperatures without diminishing their protective qualities. This may, however, cause additional shrinkage that can hamper the overall fit of the suit. Please keep this in mind when washing or drying at higher temperatures. To ensure your safety, once everything has been washed and dried, thoroughly inspect once again. If there are rips or tears in any part of the garment, or if it is still soiled with any contaminant, it may not be safe to use. After washing, securely reattach the ventilation system with a zipper on the inside of the top of the hood. Align the zipper and securely zip all the way around. The tube is then fitted through the back of the hood and out to the exterior. The face shield is placed within a fabric channel on the front of the hood. The clips for the hard hat are threaded through holes sewn into that channel. Securely snap in place the face shield with the snaps on top and on bottom. Next, the hard hat should slide into place on the clips pushed through from the face shield. Securely attach them on either side of the helmet. Next, the fan for the ventilation system sits within the high visibility strap on the back of the hood. Simply slide it in and connect to the tube that we fitted through earlier. The forward-facing LED can be fitted on the front strap as so.